Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about this problem on the test just so that everybody could see someone work through it. So let's go ahead and rewrite this in a way that'll make it look a little bit more familiar. So we're going to go, and that's not what I wanted. Come on, there we go. I'm going to go a little thicker than that. Sorry guys, give me just a second here. There we go. All right, we have 25x squared times y to the third times x to the fourth times y, which is really y to the first, if you want to write that one up there. Bloop. And then on the bottom, we have 5x to the fifth, y to the negative first. All right, so we're going to go ahead and combine like terms as much as we can. So I think everybody right away maybe said, let's take care of the x's, right? So we got an x here, we got an x here, we got an x here. Okay, to move this x to the top, we're going to have x to the negative fifth, right? And so now we have 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 5 is 1. So we're going to have x to the first power, right? I could put a 1 there, but we don't need to. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, this doesn't work the same as whiteboard. That's really sad. I'm gonna undo all that to get it off the screen. Alrighty, so we, once again, we had x left over from that one. All right, let's go ahead and look at all the y's now. I see a y here, a y here, and a y here. I'm gonna move this one to the top by flipping the sign. So I'm gonna put that up top as y to the first. So now we have 3 plus 1 plus 1 is going to be 5, so I'm going to put y to the fifth. All right, let me get rid of those really quick. Okay, now the only thing left is going to be these terms that are numbers. So those are going to be like terms as well. So I could bring it to the top if you wanted. I could say 25 times 5 to the negative first power, right? Or it might even be easier just to look at it as what is 25 divided by 5? Right? 25 divided by 5 is 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 5 there. So now we've dealt with our numerals, our numbers. We've dealt with all of the x's and we've dealt with all the y's. That means that we've done all of our steps. This is going to be the answer for simplifying this equation. All right, so we're always looking for like terms and combining all those like terms that we can add. All right, thanks guys.